Hello. I am going to take seminar about the target machine code generation. Target machine is nothing but implementing code generation that requires through understanding of the target machine architecture and its instruction set. Consider the target machine as a byte addressable, that is a word contains of 4 bytes. Then it has an n general purpose register such as R0, R1, R2 till Rn-1. The two address instructions of the form is the op source, that is the operation source, and the destination of the target machine. The target program code, that it's nothing but the back-end code generator of a compiler that may generate different forms of code depending on the requirements, such as the absolute machine code, that is the executable code, and relocatable machine code, that is the object files, assembly language, and the bytecode form for the interpreters, that is the JVM, is the Java virtual machine. The source and destination of an instruction can be specified by combination of registers and memory location with addressing modes. Next we are seeing about the operation codes. Opcodes. The example of the opcodes are move, add, movements, moving content of a source code to destination. Add means adding content of a source to destination. The subtracting the content from the source to the destination. This is the key of the target machine, that is the addressing box of the target machine. Here's the modes of the addressing machine, box of the target machine are absolute register, indexed, indirect register, indirect indexed literal. Here M contains the added cost of M means the memory location. M contains the added cost of 1. Register has the no added cost, that will be 0. Here the C of R means the constant of R, that will be the register will be 0, so the constant of C of R will be 0. Here the C will be the constants means the numbers maybe 1, 2 or something else. Contents of C plus the contents of R will be the 0, so we have 1 plus 0 will be added cost of 1. In indirect register, the address of R will be address of the register will be 0, contents of R will be 0, so added cost will be 0. Indirect index means the combination of indexed and indirect register, so 1 plus 0 will be 1. Literal means the as C means the constant, any constant value. Here the address of the literal will be the processor of 0, that will be 0. So 0 plus the constant 1 will be 1. The addressing cost is 1. Some of the examples of the target machine are given here. The instruction first is the move R0 to R1. That means the operation will be considered as store content of R0 into register of R1. So we have move means the adding cost will be 1, so the cost will be 1. Here registers is R0 and R1 R0. Next example is moving R0 into R1, that it store contents of R0 into the memory location M. So move, the add cost of move is 1, memory location is 1, so 1 plus 1, the added cost will be 2 in this instruction. Next moving M in R0, so it store contents of the memory location into register 0, then the added cost of move is 1 and memory location is 1, and then total cost will be 2 in this instruction. Here moving 4, the 4 is the constant of R0 and M, so move has added cost 1, 4 is 1 and the memory location is 1, so the total cost of this instruction is 3. The operation is store contents 4 plus contents of our register 0 into memory location. Next it is the same, but here it is given as the address of the variables, so even the address will be 1 since it is a constant, so move 1, constant 1, memory location 1. The total cost of this instruction will be 3. Thank you.